how you can install new fonts on your Mac that you find on the internet. So I'm just going to do a quick Google search for the word font and see what comes up. There's a bunch of different websites you can use to download fonts. I'm just going to use Google's built-in font downloader. Some of these other font websites, sometimes you have to pay for them, and they're great too, but I'm just going to show you the Google one because I know it's free. You can come in here and just see what's going on. They've got lots of different fonts. I found one earlier that I liked, which was called, and I'll probably pronounce this wrong, but I don't know, Grenzy or Grins or something. Anyway, I liked it. Looked kind of like old-timey, maybe like something you'd see outside an inn in a medieval town. So I'm going to say download family here. Fonts have a family, and what that means usually is, you know, it has an italic version, a bold version, and et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so it's downloaded now to my downloads folder. So I'm just going to click there, and you can see there's a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And what it does is it unzips the folder. I'm going to double click to go inside there, and then you can see, this is what it means by a font family. You can see that it's got Grenzy thin and semi-bold italic and semi-bold. If I want to see what these look like, I can just click on them and hit my space bar and then kind of go through them to see which is the one ooh, that's cool. Which is the one I like the best. And you know what? I think that I'm going to go for the bold one. Okay, when I find that I like it, I can double click it, or I think I can say open with font book up here. I'll just push that button. My font book pops up and it says, hey, you've got a font. Do you want to install it? And I can just say install font. Just like that. You can see there it is. I remember last week we were talking about a Zelda thing I made for my son. You can see there's the Triforce font that I installed. Here's one that looks like an old-fashioned VCR, which you might not even know what that is. But anyway, I used that funny font to make this video of my dog running around. I made it look like it was recorded with an old camcorder from the olden days, and so I used this font to make the date and stuff like that. Anyway, you get the idea. That's how you install the font. And now it's available in any program you have on your computer.